नेक्स्ट इफेक्ट टेक ऑन इज रेजोनेंस। आपका नेक्स्ट इफेक्ट क्या आपका है? रेजोनेंस। This effect is very important to understand because this effect is required most frequently in reactions, mechanisms or different properties. So what is first to take definition? You write down definition of resonance, write down, देखिए, when for a molecule or ion a single structure is not able to explain all properties, then we can draw two or more structures by shifting of pi electrons. The different structures are called as resonating structures and phenomena as resonance. The different structure obtained here are also called as canonical structures or forms. Common term is resonating structure or also can call them canonical structures. So when you take the definition part here, when for a molecule or ion a single structure is not able to explain all the properties, then we draw two or more structures. How? By shifting of pi electrons. The different structures obtained here are called as resonating structures or canonical structures, and this phenomena is called as resonance. We have taken this effect. Resonance involves shifting of pi electrons. What is meaning of pi electrons here? Pi electrons indicate the electrons forming pi bond and the lone pair able to form pi bond, will be called as pi electrons. The electrons forming pi bond and the lone pair able to form pi bond will be called as pi electrons. Meanings में मैं इसका definition canonical structures का electrons which form pi bond or the lone pair able to form pi bond will be called as pi electrons. So they are involved in shifting or in this phenomena of resonance. If I explain this example through if I explain this point through one example, let us understand this example here. If I take an example, benzene molecule. If I take a benzene molecule, this can be taken, let's say, energy diagram. For benzene, you can draw two structures. It is one structure. It is second structure. These two have same energy. This symbol is representing this symbol represents the radiation of the different resonating structures. For benzene, we get two structures are called as benzene's Kekule structures. But remember, they are not real structure. The real structure is only one, which is resonance hybrid of all the structures. If I draw in this case, this can be taken the benzene molecules resonance hybrid. We draw this way structure. It is the benzene molecules resonance hybrid. Hybrid is the real structure. Hybrid is a real structure, and we can take here that this energy is not same. energy gap taken here in the two structures is called as resonating energy, resonance energy. Energy gap is called as resonance energy. Energy is lowered, so stability will be increased. Means hybrid is more stable as compared to this Capel structures of benzene, or in general for the molecules resonating structures as compared to molecules resonating structures, the resonance hybrid is more stable. It is real. Now if I take this term definition, then I'll take the meaning. How we define this term resonance energy? This resonance energy, it can be taken the amount of energy by which resonance hybrid is stabilized as compared to the most stable resonating structure. For benzene, we have two structures. Two are called as benzene's Capel structures of same stability. इन दोनों का स्टेबिलिटी सेम है, सो इनका एनर्जी सेम होता है. इसके कंपैरिजन में ये है हाइब्रिड, इसका एनर्जी कम है. कितना कम है, उस एनर्जी को बोलते हैं रेजोनेंस एनर्जी. इससे क्या होता है भाई, रेजोनेंस एनर्जी, द मॉलिक्यूल will be more stabilized. Simple concept है, energy and stability. Energy higher means stability less. This symbol represents the sign of resonance. In the resonance we can draw structures. Different structures we are drawing in resonance. They are all structures are hypothetical. For benzene or any other molecules, we can remember this point. Different resonating structures are hypothetical. They have no real existence. If for the benzene can draw, or for any molecule you can draw different resonating structures, they are not real, they are hypothetical. The real is only one, resonance hybrid. The real is only one, resonance hybrid of all the structures of a molecules. So benzene have these two Capel structures. Of them it is the resonance hybrid. Energy is lower or stability is more. Now coming on the definition part once again, we have told definition में क्या था, हमने बोला था कि when for a molecule a single structure is not able to explain all the properties, then we draw two or more structures by shifting of pi electrons. तो यहाँ properties कौन सी आएगी इसमें? तो properties हम समझते हैं यहाँ पे by drawing. Like if I take some data will be helpful to you. Let us take carbon-carbon bond lengths or bonds and the value of their bond lengths. If I take carbon-carbon single bond, CC single bond have bond length value 1.54 angstrom. If you take carbon-carbon double bond, it have bond length 1.34 angstrom. If I take carbon-carbon triple bond, it have bond length 1.22 angstrom. But the values for information, अगर possible है तो आप try करो इनको structure, इनका relation को ध्यान रखिए. इस single bond है value of bond length 1.54 angstrom, double bond है bond length value 1.34 angstrom, and triple bond है bond length value 1.22 angstrom. Now if you assume कि for the benzene molecule we have two structures, if any one could have been correct, then benzene have three single bonds. अब देखो ना, carbon-carbon single bond, three single bonds and three carbon-carbon double bonds, दोनों में same है, three single bonds and three double bonds. So that means in benzene, if any one structure could have been correct, then in benzene we should have two types of bond lengths. अगर दोनों में से कोई भी correct होगा तो क्या होना चाहिए था? We have two kind of bond lengths. We have three carbon-carbon single bond and 3 carbon-carbon double bonds. Then what should happen? The 3 bonds should be of longer bond length, 1.54 angstrom, and 3 remaining bonds have double bond should have shorter bond length. But what is observed in benzene? In benzene, all CC bonds have same bond length. In benzene, all CC bonds have same bond length. How much? 1.39 angstrom. This bond length taken here is more than that for a double bond and lower than that for a single bond. That means in benzene, all the bonds are not, the 3 bonds are not single or 3 bonds are not double, but all the bonds are intermediate between that of a single bond and of a double bond. All the bonds are of we can take intermediate in nature of single bond and double bond. अब देखो ना कितना दिया है एक्चुअल में बॉन्ड लेंथ इसका 1.39 एंगस्ट्रॉम. अगर 3 सिंगल बॉन्ड 3 डबल बॉन्ड होते तो इतना होना चाहिए था, बट ये कितना है, इससे ज्यादा है, इससे कम है. इसके बीच का वैल्यू आपका आ रहा है समवेयर इन बिटवीन, नॉट एवरेज टाइप, more than this but less than this. That means we can take in benzene none of the structure is correct and the real is only one, and in the real structure of benzene we are having all the bonds by nature intermediate between that of a single bond and that of a double bond. So the value of bond length taken accordingly in benzene. Are you clear this point? Remember, it is not same as sign of equilibrium. One point remember more, we cannot write the one benzene, second benzene, we don't write symbol of equilibrium. We can write the symbol of equilibrium only when for the real structures. We can use this symbol of equilibrium only for the real structures. It is not correct of writing this way here. Only real structures can exist in equilibrium. So it is not the sign of equilibrium as the sign of resonance. But what we can write here, this symbol is not correct. Remember, this symbol you can use only in those cases where we are having real molecules. ये real structure नहीं है. Real कौन सा है? एक ही होता है और उसका नाम होता है resonance hybrid, और उसका एनर्जी कम होता है as compared to the resonating structures. कितना एनर्जी कम होगा? As compared to most stable structures, that energy gap is called as molecules resonance energy. ठीक है? अब आते हैं हम यहाँ पे, we have told you now definition आपका हुआ clear. अब आते हैं इसका मीनिंग पर. Meaning is we have told that they involve shifting of pi electrons. So how this shifting of pi electron can take place in the molecules? So we have told you they involve shifting of pi electrons, and in resonance the shifting of pi electrons can take place by 3 different ways. कौन से होते हैं? अब आपको समझाते हैं इसको. See, this effect taken resonance involve shifting of pi electrons by 3 ways. 3 ways क्या होंगे यहाँ पर? If I explain this example through example, I will explain this point through example. देखिए 3 ways क्या होते हैं? 3 ways can be taken. One, from an atom from multiple bond to next atom, or from multiple bond to next bond, or from atom to next bond. So if I write in short, I can use the word here. In resonance, they involve shifting of pi electron, bond to atom, bond to bond, and atom to bond. If I take very short, I can write here that in resonance they involve shifting of pi electrons from bond to bond, bond to atom, and atom to bond. That is what we can take. Resonance is observed in different cases. इसमें क्या है? Either they should form pi bond or they break pi bond, and then shifting of electrons there. Pi electron का meaning आपको already बताया था मैंने. What is meaning of pi electrons? The electrons which form pi bond or the lone pair which is capable to form pi bond, we will count in pi electrons. So if I take example to explain this 3 effects, I will take one example of molecule vinyl chloride. It is molecule taken vinyl chloride. In vinyl chloride, when you take atoms, carbon atoms, they are sp2 hybridized. and this carbon have one unhybridized p orbitals, it a lone pair, so what happens, it will give electron to this carbon, then carbon cannot have more than 4 bonds, so shifting of pi electrons there to next position. So what happened by this shifting of pi electrons, chlorine were having 3 lone pair, now 2 lone pair remains, 1 lone pair form pi bond, so chlorine have plus charge and they form one pi bond between these two atoms. Carbon have sp2 hybridization, remain sp2 after shifting of pi electrons also, and one lone pair will come on this carbon atom, so this carbon have -1 formal charge, this carbon have -1 formal charge. So it has been taken two way of shifting of pi electrons. कौन सा हुआ, atom to next bond, I suppose write 1, or from multiple bond to next atom, multiple bond to next atom. It is 1 if I write here, it is second, shifting of pi electron, atom to bond and bond to atom. One more way of shifting of pi electrons there in this molecule vinyl chloride. If I draw structure wise, carbons are sp2 hybridized. So what happens? Chlorine have vacant d orbitals. So what happens? Shifting of pi electrons there. They break the pi bond and form pi bond here. What will the structure I can write in short here directly? CH2, CH, Cl. This carbon lose electron have +1 charge. This becomes single bond. CCl have a double bond. Now chlorine have 3 lone pair and extra charge negative is coming because it gain electrons. Chlorine can have in this case 10 electrons. It is possible, it is allowed because chlorine have vacant d orbitals. Because of chlorine availability of d orbitals, this can form extra pi bond or it can have more than 8 electrons. So this can be taken structure for this compound taken here. So we have 3 structures taken of molecule vinyl chloride, structure number 1, structure number 2 and structure number 3. It is third way of shifting of pi electrons. If I write from here, from multiple bond to next bond, it is a double bond. From here shifting of pi electrons there to next bond here. It is third way of shifting of pi electrons. So we have in resonance the common observed shifting of electron is involved this way only, atom to bond, bond to atom and bond to bond. In short we can write here. Now in this case resonance take place, but remember we can get now 3 structures, 1, 2, 3. They are not real structure. They are not real structure. For this molecule vinyl chloride, what can be the real structure? If I draw in this case, the real structure can be like this one. In this case we have carbon-carbon double bond but become single bonds. That means this bond is not a pure double bond but will have double bond character. CCl was single bond in first structure, but in the 2 structures CCl bond is also having double bond character or is having double bond. That means CCl bond also will have a double bond character. Shifting of electron and inductive as a whole, C delta plus Cl delta minus charge. Now what happened by this electron displacement by resonance? This oppose the negative I effect. अभी इसमें आएंगे बाद में combination में. पहला हमारा हुआ ये structure. तो it is the structure taken of vinyl chloride molecule resonance hybrid. Now in this case resonance take place, but if I take suppose molecule ethyl chloride CH3 CH2 Cl, if you think in this case no resonance possible. Why in this case resonance does not take place? See, carbon atoms are sp3 hybridized. They have no unhybridized p orbital. They have no unhybridized p orbital which can form pi bond with the chlorine atom lone pair. यहाँ पर क्या था, carbons were sp2 hybridized. When we have carbon atom sp2 hybridized, they were having one unhybridized p orbital which involve in formation of pi bond with the chlorine, but वहाँ पर क्या है, कार्बन क्या है, दोनों sp3 हाइब्रिडाइज है, कोई भी अनहाइब्रिडाइज p ऑर्बिटल नहीं है C के पास, तो इसमें क्या रेजोनेंस पॉसिबल नहीं हो पाएगा। ठीक है, तो ये हमारा पहले हुआ फर्स्ट वन टेक द मेथड और द मैकेनिज्म ऑफ रेजोनेंस की शिफ्टिंग ऑफ पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन्स के टाइप। Now next can be taken कि in this case resonance will take place, but in this case resonance does not take place. So in what conditions a molecule can show the phenomena of resonance? That is our next heading, conditions for resonance. Now we will discuss that in ethyl chloride molecule resonance will not take place, but in vinyl chloride molecule resonance is taking place. So how can we know in which molecule resonance can take place or resonance cannot take place, or we can take what are conditions in which resonance take place or how the resonance take place. So some points are there, that point you can note down, लिख लीजिए। Right, first point लिखिए, in resonance no atom changes its position, no atom changes its position, means all the atoms remain fixed at their own position, and only electrons are allowed to move. Only electrons are allowed to move. We have already seen that hydrogen, carbon, chlorine, whatever were their positions, they were remaining fixed at their own positions. Only electrons were migrating from one to second atom or bond to bond, different way. Next can be taken here, the total number of lone pairs if they involve in pi bonds, pi electrons should be same in all structures, should be same in all resonating structures, should be same in all resonating structures. The total number of lone pairs, or can take pi electrons as a whole involving lone pair plus pi bonds, should be same in all the structures. अगला कंडीशन क्या है इसमें, molecule should be planar, molecule or ion should have planar structure, molecule or ion should have planar structure, molecule or ion should have planar structure. Planar का मीनिंग क्या है, word है planar but it has vast meaning. We can have meaning of planar structure means actually इसमें होता है क्या, when the structure is planar then what happens in the planar structure, atoms lie in same plane, then what happen, p orbitals are perpendicular or p orbitals which were perpendicular, now they become mutually parallel to allow lateral overlapping to form pi bonds. Because to show resonance they should form pi bonds or break pi bonds. तो कब होगा कि when we have p orbitals are mutually parallel, so they can break one pi bond, form new pi bond easily. So in such condition when all the atoms are lying in same plane, p orbitals become mutually parallel to each other and to allow lateral overlapping and to form pi bond. This planar structure can be attained in different structures which I can draw here. The planar structure का meaning vast actually है, देखिए planar means क्या होता है, all the atoms can be sp2 or sp hybridized, sp2 or sp hybridized because then the atoms can come in same plane. In carbon atom cases they have sp2 or sp hybridized, it is common requirement. Or some atom is sp3 with lone pair, this can form pi bond, then this atom also become sp2 hybridized. It seems that a given carbon atom is sp3 hybridized which have 3 sigma bonds and 1 lone pair, but the lone pair will involve in resonance, then that atom also become sp2 hybridized. So sp3 or sp2 or sp words are sufficient itself, but it is for your just understanding part. ये लगता है कि आपका atom sp3 hybridized है but उस पे lone pair है, so that also will be taken or can take part in resonance. Okay, so in what kind of structures we can have this resonance obtained here? We can have alkenes in conjugation, this kind of structures. Remember, we have discussed earlier inductive effect. It was distance dependent. Resonance क्या होता है? Resonance effect is written short as R resonance. It is distance independent. And system which have conjugation. Conjugation means one term is used here. One term in the question is conjugation. Means in alkene systems, polyenes it can be called alternating single and double bonds. Alternating single and double bonds. Then in the entire chain, resonance can take place. If they have single bond, double bond in alternating positions, in the entire carbon chain, resonance can take place. Double bond, single bond, again double bond, single bond, again double bond. So by shifting of electrons, what happens? This carbon can have loose electron, have +1 charge, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond. It have -1 charge. So this second double bond, single bond in conjugation, in the entire carbon chain, resonance can take place if they have such kind of conjugation. For that reason, this effect sometimes is also called as conjugation effect. Alternating double bond, single bonds, or we can take other case in conjugation. We can use here double bond, triple bond in conjugation. This can also have resonance. We can have lone pair, double bond in conjugation. Example taken like vinyl chloride molecule. Or we can have negative charge, double bond in conjugation. We can have plus charge, double bond in conjugation. We can have unpaired electron pi bond in conjugation. It is called free radical. They also confer resonance if they have conjugation. Unpaired electron pi bond in conjugation. We can have some atom with lone pair like OH group or oxygen atom, lone pair and pi plus charge in conjugation. We can have lone pair and like BCl3, lone pair and atom with vacant p orbital in conjugation, or you can have negative charge and some group electron withdrawing nature in conjugation. Means we can have different structures in which we can have conjugation. Conjugation means alternating positions of double bond, single bond, or you can take double bond, triple bonds, or lone pair pi bond conjugation, plus charge, lone pair in conjugation, minus charge can be in conjugation with the group having electron withdrawing nature or electron deficient groups. So we can have different structures. All the structures can indicate or can fulfill the requirement of conjugation or resonance. तो planar word छोटा सा है but उसमें सारे structures आ सकते हैं यहाँ पर which can allow resonance, which can allow conjugation. This term is normally used in conjugation resonance word. In resonance conjugation terms, so sometimes this effect resonance is also called as conjugative effect. I hope it is clear the meaning of the word planar. Now next point can be taken in this resonance. आप लिखेंगे उसको है. You can take all resonating structures are hypothetical. Hypothetical, that is exist only in the planar paper and have no real existence. Real existence. The real structure is only one, the real structure is resonance hybrid of all structures, and a more stable structure contribute more towards resonance hybrid, and a more stable structure contribute more towards resonance hybrid. We have taken already example benzene. For benzene we draw two Kaggle structures, but they were not real structure. Real was only one, resonance hybrid बोला था benzene के अंदर आपका, ठीक है ना. ऐसे आपका था विनाइल क्लोराइड के अंदर भी, we have only one structure real. So one point coming here, what? A more stable structure contribute more towards resonance hybrid. And you get question frequently in examination for the stability of different resonating structures. You get question frequently on the stability of resonating structures. ठीक है, तो हमारा नेक्स्ट हेडिंग वही है, the rules for stability of resonating structures. बिकॉज आपका इसको समझेंगे, ये कंडीशन आपका हुआ कि किसमें रेजोनेंस हो पाएगा, किसमें रेजोनेंस नहीं हो पाएगा. फिर आपका अगला क्वेश्चन ही मिलता है कि आपको डायरेक्ट एग्जाम के अंदर है कि इन द गिवन स्ट्रक्चर्स टेल द स्टेबिलिटी ऑर्डर. ओके, तो आपका नेक्स्ट आप हेडिंग लिखेंगे रूल्स फॉर स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ रेजोनेटिंग स्ट्रक्चर्स.